Mamuntang mga besh mga bay. Sige, nibalik kami diri sa Cebu para sa Sinulog. Nagtago si EJ. Among security guard karong adlaw. Pero karon, muadto kami sa Ayala Mall kay mukuyog mi sa Food Panda. Yeah, buddy. So,
let's go. Tara.
So, yeah. Ta. So man, guapa man.
I got my eyelashes, dude.
Let's check them out. Ooh, wow. Very nice. Sige, niya kami diri sa Ayala Mall. Sabak kayo, pero namin diri sa Food Panda booth. Balik kami diri. Picture kamay. Sige, humana kami dito sa Food Panda booth. Nalingaw kami dito. Wala akong masyado naka-vlog kayo. Kaya sabak kayo ang sounds.
Look at this. Painted the town pink. We're Sinulog and me.
Look at your leg. Oh my gosh.
Oh, my socks.
Do the Oompa Loompa dance.
I don't know.
Oompa Loompa, Oompa dee doo.
I thought they were orange. I don't know how to do that either.
Alright. Sige, so this vlog will be a few days combined into one. Because unya, mo hapit mi sa party. And then, mukuyog mi sa Food Panda sa float.
Sinulog.
Hey,
Shagirok
kinay.
Oh.
Alright, to be continued. Unless you have anything to add? Nope. Sige, mga gabi. Karon, padung mi sa party, sa rumors party. Di kami kablo, sini siya ng party.
But it's a party.
Pero unta na ipagaon kay gutom kami. Ikaw ya, gutom ka. Gutom na.
Sakit akong ulo.
Sakit ulo. Sige. Ikaw ba na mo ang gwapo na driver? Kitsa di ay?
Lito, si Lito.
Ayos. Among migo.
Dagan kailan ako si
Yan. Duwan na kami. Sayaw na ta. Asa ta karon?
I don't know where we currently are, but we're getting ready for the parade. It's Sinulog Day. It's Senor. Pretty.
So we were told that the parade starts at 7, and I'm hearing from some outside sources that alauna mo sugod, 1 o'clock. So it's gonna be an interesting day. We'll see what time it starts. We'll see what time we finish. We'll see if we have time for other activities and festivities.
And we have to pack for Australia tomorrow.
Yes, malupad kami. We're going to Australia.
Ugma!
Ugma's gonna be.
So for now I nap. Or Candy Crush, whatever.
Sinulog, kauno kusog.
Food Panda! Food Panda!
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Marvin! What's up?
Ayo!
So cute! Good morning!
What's up?
Morning!
Heyo, what's up?
Good morning!
We got the whole crew here. Who we got? Ma'am Joey.
We got Marvin, the newly engaged.
We got Isa.
Hi!
Medyo Maldito. Snake Princess, say hi, Snake.
Hi!
There we are. And the crew. Hey, buddy. Go, 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 go! Woo! Alright, masugod na ta, masugod na ta. Bisayang, number 1! Let's go! Alright, we're just pre-gaming hard. Pre-gaming na, wala kami nagsugod. Hindi kami nagtambay. Pero, ayaw ta. Nagkapan kami daan. Bago rin sugod. Sige, quick update. We haven't even started. I don't know what time it is. Basta, doon kami nagulat. So, diri kami sa sulod para pabugnaw sa. We're gonna chill. And then when the parade starts, we'll go back outside and show you the fun.
Ikaw pinaka-sexy mo sayo nila, Snake.
Kinsa diha yung pinaka-sexy?
Si Snake.
Si Snake.
Tanong nga to.
Kanaw diri. Sexy kayo. Oh, wow. Alright, it's finally alas 10 o'clock and some people have arrived to the parade.
Exciting.
We got some special guests. Heyo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Heyo! All right, it's game time, baby. It's game time.
Ready. Okay, I'm ready.
Go, go, go,
All
go,
right.
go, go, go.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love?
Ayos! Sige, nidaplan kami diri para manghihi. Gusto ka balay di ay. Marn, what the heck just happened, dude?
So we went into this random family's home. They invited us in because we all really had to go to the restroom. I was walking out. I guess they must have thought that, hey, you must be somewhat important as well. And I came into the living room and they were like, oh! And it was like a selfie time. It was, yeah, for me it was a really good moment.
Good experience.
Yeah.
Sige, halftime na karon. Gutom na kami sa unisolod mi sa van na nagsabay sa among float. Tulog oras kami nagsakay. Init man. So, swerte kami kay na aircon dire. Mo ni among pagkaon.
What is it?
A pizza and manok. Oh,
Spaghetti.
spaghetti with meatballs. Na walay meatballs pero naay pan.
I'm always dumpty.
Ano siya, masigip siya. But at least.
Di, kung sa'y feeling ni mo, nga daghakik na ipog ni mo.
Wala na ka na namin sa feeling.
Ano sabi niya? Sorry.
Masarap daw yung feeling.
Masarap sa feeling pag sinabyan tayo ng ganyan.
Di siya kasabot. Di siya kasabot. English daw. So today, I'm gonna show you guys an amazing item which is so useful, especially for today.
Amazing ha, bantay day.
Drum roll, please. Ta-da! For girls, it's easier. Like you can place it sa imuha on your thing,
Imuhang
and then
kuwan.
you can pee standing up. It's perfect for days like this. You can pee in a bottle. See, it'll fit.
Honestly, that's nice. I need that for road trips.
See? Okay, this is super clean, ha? Just goes like this. And you can pee.
That's so good.
Right?
Hala, interested si Zoe.
Right? Zoe, you wanna try it? I've never used it.
I really have to pee.
Yeah.
Sige, so that's a wrap. Salamat sa mga drummer. Salamat. Continue. Salamat, bye. Sige, that's it for the float. We're back here in the van. Muli na kami. Woo! That was kapoy. But we're gonna go back to the hotel.
Woo!
Kapoy na?
That's a wrap. That's it. Pansit.
Oh!
No.
Zoe Natics.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?